Back to report on my Revox B77. As you see, it's working. I assembled it, reassembled it. I completely tore it apart. Everything was torn apart, and now it's working. But it still have to be recapped because still have some issues with the amplifier. I'm only getting sound out of one channel. If you look at this, turn it up. Only one channel is working. Pause work, rewind, go straight into play, start playing, fast forward, go right into play. The tape broke. Okay, that was a tape I just pieced together and it reached the end, so the tape just break off. Anyway, pleased to report that the Revox B77 is working properly. Now I just have to recap this thing and get it all sorted. Alright, stay tuned.